Well, Jai cinsceolaíta mar TikTok atá agus YouTube atá, so tá cameras mo thuúil atá agus an smartphone TikTok hála sin. Nus tá time journal bhí meid an níomhrúma live TikTok. Time journal má ben mar hin laptop atá. Time journal má creile be live stream couple láchan, leintachan, bhí se andorcha go Joe. Bhín ISO bhín ISO ar a camera roiisi mar má fólam. Tá cleachta me deach gus smartphone is deach na brim smartphone ach sé má gus camera Sony camera Sony 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 má gus camera Sony camera réchaocht tá bí go hondó bín cleachta mar deach gus smartphone. Windows gur update cechénims tú sin tú ní hagan éon mar sin ní séríomh ar a bhón tú na phone so má go phone ní hagan éon Windows update in mar snéíomh. Tá lá grána go leor tá sé grána go leor it's grána go leor meaning it's bad enough it's not nice it's horrible enough as tá sé gaofar agus fliuch lá gaofar agus lá fliuch. Is tá sé gaofar tá sé fliuch. Agus tá má deach na creile cintá muine sé fitar sin be deach na me leabhar sin na méid. Déine mé bhharháid mar sé muid leabhar cintá muine sé fi trítaréis. Duna me go dtí beidir dechanna de. Rihis má bí me ar tarsach charta de de mar se beidir go dtí deachló charta sin na méid. Agus mar is má tá cheiste go chum má tá cheiste faú tipsart múnse agus spéisach as nach chuine cheisna gáirsúlan duna má muíal cheistegurt so gáirsúil is vulgar. So I don't want any vulgar questions. Cowrail bean, sometimes I do get kind of vulgar questions and I just nav or I just ignore those questions. TikTok the Phantom Jehach Mahara Love from the North just marach Phantom the Sulam will to goma will and I'm sugar donna chin freshen kuge ulla which I got donna chin freshen a will is it bad weather up north as well. The Sulam which I need just not tan shy much I saw donna cha. Hopefully a better weather there than we have here because it's bad enough here. Tá sé sacrán, as time should go take glass into no sunny into Jack Russell. Drinking Jack Russell. Tay glass is my lummy. I like green tea, that's just full line. Tay just full line. Agus my brother YouTube agus he'll nilearne YouTube post, so no one has joined YouTube yet. Ach tá golóir daoine tá cáhanna mar TikTok sin as dúirt Phantom dúirte no sí níos an befarna ban. It is I only have couple of fuckle but your content is helping me learn our language. Oh, come on, Phantom. Yes, come on. Smile much nach hostel. I like to hear that. Very good. Intachar fad. Tá muid look of fólam. We're all learning. Tá muid look of fólam tamar fad. Tá muid cúnlí fólam. We're always learning. Agus so tá ben a laptop. Siad an camera go YouTube, TikTok atá agus tá laptop atá. So tá man an am héine ar TikTok so man an héine ar laptop. Echi, se ní sam bhfuil ceist dúirt Thomas Wicker. I apologize for speaking in English. I'm a learner, but are you more confident in English or English? Glachan go túrás at caintse ben nó certain na córa nó cumarsaid le duine. Sart mar a chéile. I feel equally comfortable in either language. Chain tean go rim comfortach céine, does that I chain rud cowrail na the vins ma kaint le daine cano just le dynas dún an gáil nó dynas cúige mú ma cara bín seo difrachtaí chainneirte an fáíocht an chainneirte sin is a fuamniú le folkláirit. Ach Any maach oberteach caiint le daine as is suir as le náin agus as Connemara. I feel very confident talking to people in my own dialect. When I'm talking to people in other dialects, they have different pronunciations of the same word, and different words they'd use in different pronunciations. So I feel more confident talking to my own people, my own my own people. Ach se ficem duna cinnte seo YouTube sean chaoibe deáit bell feriste just mar a ghuit Tá san ghfuil tú go má Tá sun ghfuil an aimimse níiste sé mé feristena tá ina séir le áran écha go háirit. Hopefully the weather's better up in Belfast than it is here. As well le ceist Níl. Se mar dúirs má tá ceiste go hom tena mo dhéal a dagart som cin bhenú. Tá má ceapa OBS Studio. Ní sam bhfuil ein ólas é daoine OBS, so apparently OBS Studio you can have is féidir de cholarad an rud amháin ar an laptop. You can have live stream via OBS Studio, TikTok, YouTube, whatever, or Twitch, or you could have 4 or 5 different live streams going on using the same camera on the laptop, and you'll get the comments. Then the comments seachtaníos na seachtaní. Mar se bhhailm beidir chéadú réile tá má fólam. Tá má fólam. Má go hondalteach féin gus is TikTok nó YouTube live ar má smartphone-ach. Tá má fólam. Tá muid le go fólam. We're all learning. Tá sé is sort skill an hain sin bheit gus at cameras agus laptops agus me social tá mar se. It's a skill. It is a skill in of itself, using cameras, smartphones, laptops, and software. It's a whole skill set. Ní lein leat mar se má fólam. So beidir chéadú réile be má an díirech. Mar se brenn smartphone, brenn seo, brenn laptop, be má an díoch brenn camera. Agus be má an bheith caiint le choláin ar TikTok, YouTube, an chu cin áit échi go fóil. Tuna se an na grú go fóil. Tuna se an na grú go fóil. Écht má ban sip le chas mar té glas. Gus se bhfuil léan ceist ar TikTok go níl. Se ní le ceiste sin. Ach seiteach mai marrá tá aimim sin nach cha go teirrécha tá se an duna. Tá se an duna tein in na sir. As tá mai ceappa go mé lá máireach go duna freisin. Tá se tuciach go duna le máireach freisin. It's forecast to be back tomorrow. Bein bad lastas teach the máireach. So the cargo boat is coming tomorrow. Bein tagan glor bia gon shoppa and seo agus supermarket áitiúil te. So the cargo boat is coming tomorrow. Ach beis nach mé, but maybe it won't be coming tomorrow. My al will drochaimsir. Fógur mar se beidir mé bad lastas techt tihíine náit. Mar se chunt sin mail sin an rud na dóid ilan. Na is drochaimsir an chuint Jonathan Rack ar golóratí it interferes with a lot of things like cargo and that. So for food, so bread, vi my keeper shop guy rubber gone that raw at chin lahan so it's kind of getting a bit low on loaves of bread and a few other things I get. So I must Machabad Chathamoidach. Jonah Magana, I'll do without it for a day. Rakeshti Kinch Buppity Boo Chap Magawakma. Hey kitten. TikTok tagging galore notifications in these. So on TikTok here, loads of notifications come up. Blah 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 is joined. Blah 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 joined is in chats again. So cap be my cap a good comment keen chance. So I think there's some kind of comments, but it's not. It's just random. Just comments falling nach hagen Chinese, just random comments from TikTok. Smile at TikTok and the notifications. TikTok likes its notifications. Garage Russell, is your canon similar to what was once was in Quilty? No, so Quilty going back large. Well, it's a Gaelgin the moon vachin, so they'd have kind of more monster Irish, so Gaelgin a sire. So I have in a sire Irish, Gaelgin a sire. So that's a different. It wouldn't be the same. It's a chachar rubak the Gaelgin the moon there in the sire. So Munster Irish from Clare, because of our proximity to Cundach Lodge, to County Clare, there's a slight influence. For example, we say Yun instead of Rinde, Yun May, Yun Tu. So that's kind of a Munster influence, and there might be a few other influences as well. And pronouncing fliuch, le folklore, la ruddy yard page nivach na ride. That's a certain is because the guy in the moon vach guy Chundach live vach fato. Sna trichatis na fihis nis vujishir. So the Irish that would have been spoken, native Irish that would have been spoken in Clare back in the 20s, 30s, or in these footage here, be different. It'd be different to my Irish here. There'd be certain similarities, certain words, because we have a slight Munster influence on those Yun, Marhumpla, Yun. An so tagging galore the news there TikTok. TikTok is just a bazillion notifications come up on TikTok. There's a there's then again Jihad from Bentonville, Arkansas, USA. There's Lee Keith Lego. Well, Jihad Keith, that's going to go mat. That's going to knife is just in Arkansas. Hopefully, you have better weather in Arkansas and that and child in this year. Hopefully, you have better weather there than we have here. Matasha gaofar agus fliuch. Do vi rian is tafos. Tashana yatach when you say it's kind of like a dirty day, I suppose. No say no, Tashana gaofar agus fliuch agus sar grana. Nus finish like now. Tashana yatach. The Cliffy River, he has money. Misha, well, Bavilum. Ní fair sever ma. Ta saivris na gailgam I've rich and Irish and I guess culture na hayden. But ní more an pinach I am, but I don't have much financial money, but I'm rich in Irish language and culture. Shanachas ach ní mór an aige tam bhhailm ní smó aige an na billig to pay the bills ach erich tá tau go bheith mu sinis bhfuil cheiste fliuch dúirt Keith Lego hot tá sé che in Arkansas. It's hot in Arkansas. Go ma. So that's a che in Arkansas. That's in go ma. Agus fliuch. There's Timmy fliuch go Christian. Ma. As well as if I more as a chanot. There's Padcon. Will I if I more it is the chanot agus canot gaich on the mara. Well, it's a sort of tá go leor folklach ráte teanna amachráte go mar ní átá mar í mar Jon. Chaáilsam sé ina saoir an té náit I gaige chonachtan gaige chonachta déidir a deartar Jon náit rinne mar Connemara, everywhere in Connemara, choláte Connemara. Ina smeáin ina smór is mó Jerry sin rinne mé a rinne tú cé rinne sin rinne sí siút. Ach an teanin is saoir dearmuid Jon, mar sin difrat mór. Níor me se rinne go jo. Níor mar rinne go jo. Jon, is gau báisteach. Gau báisteach ar bá. You'll get rain. Gau, instead of jaufig. Jau ar jaufig. Dearmuid se gau. Mar se tá go leor difrachtaí. Dúirt airt. Hello from Limerick. I worked in Galway a few years ago with lads from Yarrua. Oh, come on, very good. Come on, that's one go shot go jazz. Hopefully they were nice. But they're just moonshit to Sula. There's Declan Sullivan, Maharu. Agus Dúirt Keith just popped in to say Jehoch and see Sonny got a run. Slán for Slán Keith Lego Slán das Gurmad chatter doggle Slán as Dúirt Phineas physiques lá go lách an inna gandá lú Jen choláit an éidir. I think everywhere in Ireland to make bud an aimim go donna choláit. Je bud an aimim go donna choláit. Sin gobar sin bhfuil. Tás an bhfuil a fuaim gobar ar YouTube ré. Dúirt sunna typo bubbles lang go bhóg má. An ben mar fón a te benna bhfuil a rud a gaibbrú. Tá mar deach le bennar má YouTube live ar má fón teach a brenn bhfuil an fuaim a gopas má ní eice méimre teach na níos sin. Mar a second bháin in stutulí tú. Tá má an. Réchi gur me sin is. Tá se gobar tá fuaim a gobar sinna príomhar teach a ráiti bhí fáitisam nach an fuaim a gobar. Tá se gobar mar se. Réchi. Is me tú am echte riamh. Ní mór an é pelchailcha smúvach mid rámart pelchailcha bháin mid sna rí an marte te agus sácar football sácar. Tá cum an am agus tá coppla slitar am a bhain nis a rí sa saoir bha coppla daine in a saoir sa saoir is Jimrin obrab a gománeach lo. Ní clifa ceart teach ar pass eile tí. Tá man an tasat gomanach tá man an commandos is rupa. Ní bhéin comá ní mór an cleachta ar chuí. Bhfuil chuirt lead ó géir le an áran. Bhfuil tá handball dúirt Sakai. Tá handball eilí te ar in na saoir as bíon duine hammart. Ní bhíon se bhí hammart te cearcha leorach. Tá se sin 1000 blianachan. I used to play handball, but that's 1,000 years ago. Dúirt Cluffy Reevere tá fuaim a gobar. Gomá. Agus bhfuil le cheiste le mé tú gobar ar a mád. Mi tú seola in bádáilecht. Ní bhím. Smána bheith chuid cosad bheith terra ferma mar a deara. Terra ferma. Smána ní maidem a gáid lánus ní bhéin gear a bheith gorach. Ach, ní bhím a plé le báid. Ní plé. Ra se gaofar dúirt sacai ó bhí gus tá bhí agus tá tá se gaofar fós Tá se anna dhéach ina dhéach so deach's like smoke, but when a day like today, when it's kind of dirty day, I suppose, when it's wet and windy and everything, jara oh tá se anna dhéach that's what you say, tá se anna dhéach. Lá tún smú gaige nó béle á gaige ach leis béle goor béle seo béle leis mar caiith le straintear, bhí me déile le straintear í Americana gus tíine siach chéile, so I speak a lot of English in the summertime during the day dealing with tourists. I work in the tourism industry, so I deal with a lot of Americans. So been on loads regular Yanks. Bín tag an air bí me caiith le air ní freisin min cear chuid gaige fáchuir chuid gaige nó seans lá le gaige ó hóchas. I talk to Irish people as well that come here who want to talk to speak to native speakers. Ach go handul usually go handul mar daoine Béirlóirí smó as Maracha agus sáitcha dhéile as an Nidal, Spain, German, Italians, Germans, Spanish, etc., and Americans. Agus as na freisin and English people as well. So, Máile ban copan, máile má chopo. Jack Russell as Sonny. That's Jack Russell as Sonny in the He's like Sonny, the Jack Russell. That's Sonny get chat in the Sonny's up at the house with my parents up at I Beja. I got my son the airball. I'll collect him later. Okay. Oh, that's just. He doesn't, but then go for a gurk freshen. Oh, so Jan go cholach. I think it's one day everywhere in Ireland. My pool and I'm school on the cholach in Ireland. There's Adam said, I want to learn Irish properly, but I feel like I don't want to go back to the very start. Is Michelle. But then at the same time, wouldn't have all the tenses and stuff learned off. Well, you have to start somewhere. YouTube. Today the road the chat a true YouTube. Glacum go Jack Rain, I presume that's accurate. It's the Choghney Egg jar TikTok. So there's 12 people looking at me TikTok agus through YouTube. Get a question is Temi as Saka. It won't let me ask in Irish for some reason, but how bad is wind there when there's a storm? Oh, but I got done up. Well, even the boards, man, on the show like that, even the plane and like it's it's bad when the boats are cancelled and the plane is cancelled. So congestion. It is very disruptive when there's a storm. It's very disruptive because if you're relying on cargo, but last lice, medicine or what a if you an appointment in Galway, well, my stage man, bed mach na boards and I'm playing on my shoulder, get just let law no for a couple of days maybe. So so it is bad, yeah. Big Marigal, Ilan much, Marilan, because it's an island. To fall and there's retro Irish, to my fall gaige to Haurach. Come on, small machine na chlusin, much. There's Deirdre Cupan Allin, Sunny Gohintach. Oh, smile him a cupan cha. I like this cup. Smile him some cupan cha freshen. Yeah, come on. Durch finesse physics. I started relearning with Duolingo. Helped me get back into spelling. Then AI used your guy on Spotify. agus sin speaking Irish Ulster dialect. Ní háúhain Ulster dialect atá Sky gin na sair tam, so you're on the wrong place if you want Ulster dialect. Gael gin na sair tam, so this is in the sair. Gael gin na sair tam, native in a sair Irish, which is essentially a dialect of Connemara Irish. Gael gin na sair, but it's not Gael ulla. Ní Gael gultach tan cha. Dúirt art, is it something that you consciously do, explaining in English the meaning of Irish terms you say? Well, cá má mail tá sat ní tá folklore journals tá sena yetach mar húpla. Ní vasichala, not everyone would understand that. So I have to explain certain things, and not everyone has fluent. Everyone that's watching me either on YouTube or TikTok have varying degrees of Irish. Some people have no Irish or very little, and then other people might be fluent, and they might be a few native speakers as well. Well, Nilain Fuhegel. There's no subtitles much about, so I can't type up subtitles because it's live. Is it smoother from Doolin or Seville? There's Savannah, Dear Savannah. Brian, depends. But just soft on the in the circus Doolin. It can be because Chanana soft ground or soft garuf. It can be, not bad enough between us and Doolin, but Kegwich Thurskairich. Even though it's a short journey. Finumad no Martian, it's only about 20 minutes. But Lánus Novi Makait last train Charinas Marakagas Achilles Ufasach Cart Chatan there as I spoke to a few people, few Americans and other tourists today actually, and they said it was awful coming from Clare. Suas agus a nuas, up and down, which I got done. Let's go Sulach. I feel no ground, but that's if I saw ground the chat that's Rosseville fresh, it would be fairly horrible coming from Rosseville as well. So let me tell Marsha come a kin so it doesn't matter what you're coming from Doolin or Rosseville, it's not going to be nice on the plane, on the on the boat. It won't let me comment in Irish either, Adam said. Kashagar Westbrit TikTok. TikTok must be a Westbrit preventing the Irish language being typed on it. Nilasam. Nilasam Kifa. Dirt Sakai, my Irish comments keep getting removed. TikTok is very annoying. Nilasam Kifa, I don't know why. Nilasam. Agus dúirt physics baválum fólum chulrut gachrut. Well, tá muid look a fólum. We're all learning. Tá muid look a fólum. A gap dúirt Shane Doody there's Benjamin Kinchang the kid the Prihanga. Oh, Gailge. Irish is my first language in Berla. After my non-Berlo situation, but I'm able to speak English as well. There's here Shane Doody gap and two glor Ayana Gerultas or some the Gailge. Well, Jetach Manis move it on tuck up as well. Ayana compression. Jetach Manis move a Ayana tennis testing is move Kuna gus no jetach nis move Janta is Ayana. Does it John a year of Kit Kakalol that is at a plan Al Changa Chan in the Sire in Spanish more Satri Gonamaris, the Munchus on freshen. That's a Shingamas or Gasuroka, so the after show battery running low. The laptop battery. So the gentleman Falky battery. So there's about 10 minutes battery left on the laptop. Gentleman who knew my daily. Gentleman, so I took my new and lower. But I don't know much chugna modelle. So to much an entry time now. We'll do another 5 minutes. My ratchets come in. Ratchets main on laptop, cooked on laptop. Misha catch. My battery catch. Hey, much there's chart. It's very interesting hearing from you, and I appreciate the way you engage. Gurmad, oh, Gurmad, snurra, art, yeah. We'll to an app, cooker, a chara, a cheer, fair, choil. Neil, hold my kind chin line toch, and I've heard of it all right, about a week ago. Hold my kind chat. Ach, beter in my kuntas in no maarach, beter maarach. Nís am mór an foioi de chunig me daon eile ar Instagram rá gur se éis agus níle sam cert app socialta gail go bháin ghlach me bh te gear sa cert le an Instagram a bháin gail go bháin rud sílam rud a mar sin. I think that's the premise. Go bin an concheap bhain is leis récha. Are there any doctors or ambulances on in a suir a tíar Adam? Tá dochtú riam, tá dochtú agus banal tria. Ach, ní ein ambulance on. Tíar Lizzie, there's Lizzie tíar hutch, just more hutch Lizzie. As sin tíar, there's Garo Drussel, I mean, Drachheim says, an I'm sure row, chun, like, campal go lua, well, and he ate a campal in over, so, Bachan campa sheichi. Bachan campa sheichi. The tent, if you were to camp now or tomorrow, you'd be blown away. Bachan campa sheichi. Blown, sheichi. Bachan campa sheichi. Mas bar fanach. Banner an aimshire dosach. Banner an aimshire dosach. Banner main aimshire just suckered for a couple of hours. So I'd recommend looking at the weather and looking at the forecast, weather forecast, see if the weather's kind of settled before camping here. It'd be horrible now if you're camping now. Oh, what's oversach. Shoni, no, West Britburg. There's bankers, King's Galley, Scale, Nimora, Jackal Tays. Jer Benjamin Kinchai, so na back la Connos. Kinchai féidir mochad gail gauso. Well, brenner mochad TikToks, brenner TikToks na gail geir óchas eile, léamh, brenner réidir na gailtachta, rus na rún, chwarach ar TG Cair. Tás a níl is cimméid TikTok da John Thompson is as YouTube shorts, tá complicated TikTok John Thompson is le golóir sort le gan nach kaintse agus fáíocht agus marsút mar se sin déir sé cehfuil cuasaí tíocht nailtacht. Nos choláteil is dai. Nos choláteil. Tá ráin amsar connas, I hate connas. Cechaí, na bakra do connas, cechaí. Ní macha mága. Ach cechaí, barlam cechaí. The Kechawil Kursi Chechts. Nos Halach Katona. Like everywhere, it's bad. How's housing in the Gata? Well, Nos Halach Katona. Like everywhere, it's bad. As Danish are cannot cheese seed and no generate cannot cheese, so people are Margaret smile at Danish quarter in the Sayer. And those Galorach is in Elta, so in the like many other places in the Gaeltacht regions. Coincidentally happens to be lovely, beautiful scenery. So a lot of people want to buy holiday homes here. So there's an tussi tarlunish le couple of blian Carno Kugavlenta that Dina cannot Tiva Mo cannot see it. So outsiders, non-Irish speakers, outsiders buying houses, summer houses here, and they stay here for a couple of weeks out of the year. So that's good done. That's not done. Ach ní hinra do bhain is teach leis an gailta seis an tarlú, that's happening everywhere. Ach tá an tarlú seo freisin. Dúirt high cortisol should sign. Sorry, I'm running the chat, but how do I start learning the language? Well, yeah, you have to start somewhere. Look at the TikToks, most TikToks. Right in the cards, the TG care, the usual. That's not yeah. You get the helicopter. There's an emergency. Yes, the helicopter is used when there's an emergency. Just airport na Shannon comes from Shannon Airport. There's only bell at the Javach. That civil fish and will to the soon go to